Pakistan. I'm looking forward to H.Res. 901's consideration later this afternoon as the House Foreign Affairs Committee marks it up. As I'm sure you're aware, Pakistan recently conducted the largest election in its history, but these were unfortunately marred by allegations of fraudulent activity and electoral violence. Watchdog groups raised the alarm over reports of political repression, suspension of interest access on election day, delays in election results, and more. Currently, the Election Commission of Pakistan is reviewing many of the election results in individual parliamentary constituencies, and the Pakistani judicial system is investigating and adjudicating irregularities. In fact, the ambassador from Pakistan came to my office yesterday and talked about what they were going to try to do to mitigate these problems. With all this being said, there must be full, credible, and independent audit of these election results. Secretary Lew, do you think and the State Department have confidence in Pakistan's judicial process and its ability to adjudicate claims of wrongdoing?
Thank you, Representative McCormick.
If I might, just before I answer that question, just say a word about protests. We have just tremendous respect for the Pakistani American community. We pride ourselves in the State Department and in my office talking to Pakistani Americans because they are the people in our vast country who care the most about this relationship. They have something genuine to offer because of their deep knowledge and the deep concern they have with the future of the country. And so I want to join voices of this committee to say how important their involvement is, how much we respect them. We try to listen to them at every opportunity. I hope they are also listening to all of you and to those of us who are trying to guide this policy.
Absolutely, and I will say, respectful conversation is always paramount for me. I've met with constituencies. I have people who've come here from all over the United States that I've met with in my own district on this topic. There's a time and a place for everyone to speak, and that's order. That's something that we worked hard for.
One of the things that I have faced over these last 2 years is some of these allegations, unfounded allegations, have resulted in